the block is ready to be mated with both halves. It's really exciting. It's we came a long way to get to this point, and let's do it. The next thing we have to do is put silicone on both ends. Gonna drop things. Now we're gonna use this tool to line up, to go through this little hole. Move that out of the way. And we're gonna line it up. Now we're going to put the piston in here, and that's lined up. We're going to pull it out and then push the piston further in once it reaches the point, and lock it in place till we're ready to put in the wrist pin. So like that, we finish the short block. The heart and soul and center of the engine is done. Next is the heads and all the accessories. So stay tuned for that. If you like the content of this video, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so whenever I post anything, the next video or new episode, it'll give you a notification. Please share. I'm up to right now. I'm up to 215 views while making this. No, 219. 200. We reached 219. No, sorry, 319 today when I'm making this video. So when this video comes out, hopefully it will be a lot more. Right? You guys are gonna share it. If you want some That Ally Garage swag. Contact me through Instagram, same name, That Ally Garage. Check me out over there. Today marks the day where my girlfriend and I bought our new build, the next project build, which is really cool, a really good one. Put in the links, put in the comments down low. Tell me what you think it is, and if you know what it is because you're one of my close family or somebody that we told, don't say a word. That's it. And remember, the most important: if you ain't got haters, you ain't popping. And I just want to say hi to my kids, Ariel, Daniel, Gabriel. I'll see you soon. I'm trying. We're working on it. I'll see you soon, guys.